Today, I want to ignite a fire within you using the unique spirit of the dragon Komodo, an extraordinary creature that embodies power, resilience, and the sheer force of will. Imagine the dragon Komodo, a creature of myth and reality, blending the grandeur of dragons with the raw tenacity of the Komodo dragon. This hybrid symbol is not just a fantasy, but a blueprint for conquering our own battles. Like the dragon Komodo, you possess an inner strength that is both fierce and relentless. The dragon's scales represent your armor against adversity. Each challenge you face is a test of your resolve, sharpening your skills and enhancing your durability. Just as the Komodo's bite, laced with an almost supernatural venom, strikes with precision and impact, your actions, driven by determination and focus, can carve your path to victory. Remember, the dragon Komodo is not deterred by obstacles. It embraces them, overcomes them, and emerges stronger. It doesn't just survive, it thrives. So, when faced with setbacks, channel the spirit of the dragon Komodo. Let each difficulty be a catalyst for growth, and each setback a lesson in disguise. Stand tall, like the mythical dragon, and let your heart burn with the passion of a true warrior. The challenges you face are not here to break you, but to build you into the formidable force you're destined to be. Harness your inner strength, stay relentless in your pursuit, and unleash the dragon within you. The world is yours to conquer. Be bold, be unstoppable, and let your spirit soar as high as the dragon Komodo, with courage as fierce as its roar and determination as deep as its ancient wisdom. Rise and shine, for greatness is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. Choose to be unstoppable. Choose to be extraordinary. Choose to embody the legend of the dragon Komodo. Thank you for watching. Remember, content's extra, always.